things like menopause.
But just know that you're going to be going through it as much as I'm going to be going through it.
What do you mean? We prefer to value time than value our lives. But we don't realize if we're not alive, we won't have the time. I saw my stuff with stuff from the cuffs. Cufflinks fam, how to go. Welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you F.I.R.E, fun, inspirational, real, educational. And I was just thinking about something recently. I saw a grey hair on my hand, and after a couple of months I saw a next grey hair. And I was just thinking about it, that I'm getting old, and I was thinking about it, and you're feeling a bit, I guess, when reality starts to set in. And I just went on social media and I was reminded of the fact that, even though I'm getting older, aging is a blessing. There's so many young people who don't make it past a certain age. There are so many people who I grew up with who didn't make it. There are people who were younger than me that I knew who didn't make it. And I just wanted to encourage somebody out there. I just wanted to share with somebody out there that don't view it as getting old, but view it as being given the blessing of aging, and view it as a blessing. View it as an opportunity each day to get up and impact those in your world and then the wider world, and just view it as an opportunity to bask and live and embrace your purpose and go out there and execute what God would have you execute. So I don't feel old. I mean, if you look at the side of my head, there's a lot of gray hairs, but I don't want anybody to just, boy, I'm getting old. No matter feel old, every day I get older. Every day everybody get older. We have an 8-year-old and a 4-year-old and a 5-year-old, see? And they're getting older. So count it a blessing, count it a joy, and don't let it get you down. Instead, it should let you get excited for the mere fact that you made it to see another day, another year. And I am just learning to change my views and my attitude towards all of that, right? So yeah, that's the first part of the vlog. Just change your mindset about how you view getting older.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Turn the page. One leaf at a time. Read what it says. The top section of that page. Color the. Yes, read it. Touch it. Touch the one that is near to the boy. Color it. Use any color crayon. Remember, cars can be any color, okay?
I'm going to use my red.
Sure, not a problem. Remember to stay in space. Take your time. Read the next instruction now.
Color the object that is far from the girl.
Which one is far from it? Good job.
I will make it look like a basketball. Oh my god, I left my orange.
That's okay. Balls can be any color as well.
Make it look like a football.
But I have to stay white.
Oh, she She realized, but just play it off.
So you know that daddy is here? You didn't know that daddy is
No,
here?
she didn't see you and I didn't tell her you were coming.
Eh? So when you don't, you just look and continue coloring. Hmm?
You know, you said, oh, daddy, I was expecting
Man,
that
then you
reaction.
know work.
I'm gonna finish doing my work.
You see?
I love work.
No little excitement for seeing me. Hmm? Not a little excitement.
Yes.
Yeah, all of them. First. Cufflinks fam. What's up? I just wanted to quickly get crazy. I just wanted to quickly get Bass on the topic that I was talking about.
Sorry.
If you don't yarn, it's not you, right? Regarding aging. When I saw the video that she did on where it was IG or TikTok regarding her gray hairs.
You know, for me, one of the strongest forms of disrespect is the disrespect that catches you by surprise. It's the disrespect that you didn't expect. It's the disrespect that sort of just pops up, like they're not discreet. It's just in your face, just like in your face. And I'm sitting here, I'm supposed to be coming out of the car to go do something, but you know, I'm sitting here and I'm thinking to myself, why can't my gray hairs be more discreet? Why can't my gray hairs pop up at the back or in the middle, like so? When I catch up my hair, I'm not seeing it. But no, it's not discreet with the disrespect. The gray hairs are popping up right along my hairline, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I pluck them out and they come back 5, 6, 7, 8, just in my face. Like the disrespect is, I mean, it's not something I expected. I know that eventually that my gray hairs would start coming in, but it's just in my face, literally. Like right along my hairline, like, hello?
And I was commenting on my gray hairs. I actually see 2 grow hairs, so guys, but anyway. Aging, it's something that was said at the event that we're coming from, when Shellan was saying, you know, it's a blessing. And I saw a post, so I started to talk about it. I saw a post that said, you know, aging is a blessing. And I remember years ago you said you wanted us to grow old together, and now we're getting old together. How you feel about getting older and grey and all of those things?
Mind you, the video I was really just poking fun.
I know.
Yeah, with the video.
Can't turn so much, police.
Yeah, I was really just, you know, it was really satire you called it in the video. But really and truly, I
turn right on Curfew Road.
You want?
I am happy.
Yeah.
With aging for several reasons. One, I feel like I feel like I look better as I age. That's one. No, Jojo. In of myself, I feel like I
sorry guys.
yeah.
Pothole.
In and of myself.
In 100 meters, turn right on.
So I love how I look as I age. It could be due to several things. One, I don't think I'm aging quickly, meaning, you know, I think I still look really good for my age. People think I'm younger than I actually am.
Really?
People can't believe that I'm married.
Really?
People can't believe that I have children.
Really?
It's like,
They're blind.
yeah. So I think it's a privilege and a gift to be aging, and so I have no problems with being aging. I just know that it takes a little bit more effort as it relates to a lot of things. I can't Guys, I'm tired.
Turn left on Lyndhurst Road.
Apart from the regular yawning, I'm tired. I wake up from 5 o'clock this morning. I got up, wash my hair, do my makeup, the whole works. I'm tired. What was I saying? I was saying I was making a good point, you know. It sounded good in my head.
Alright, so here are my questions.
Hold on.
The older you're getting, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's the closer you are to certain changes. You were saying that you're right. The older you get is the more
effort I have to put into certain things. Like one, I know that I can't stay up as late as I want at night and think that I'll be able to function properly the next day. I literally, when I was younger, of course, could I bleach all night and function all day. There was a time when I was younger where I could bleach all night. Mommy and Dad used to call me night owl. Bleach all night and stay up all day. Can't do that anymore because I'm not able to function the following day if I do that. I sometimes get caught in it because of watching series, which is a trap. It's a trap for the elderly and those who are eldering.
It's a trap for the elderly and those who are eldering.
Come here, so you call elderly.
No, it's a trap for the eldering and the elderly. So I think that's one. Two, my metabolism has slowed down. I can feel it, I can see it. After we had Bria, I lost the baby weight with little to no effort, aka no effort. Lost the baby weight. Since having Bella, I have not lost all my baby weight, but I don't mind. But I also realize that I need to do a little extra work in order to take off some of the areas that I want to take off. And I realize that my eating habits need to be very different.
Mm-hmm.
I can't just a nyama galang so at any time of the night. Just a nyama galang so at any time of the night, and with no care in the world. I have to now think about my digestion process. I have to think about the fact that my metabolism has slowed down, so my body not burning as as it used to. It's just a lot of little things.
Oh, she's a hot girl, yeah?
Yeah, girl.
Oh, the side in our Brazil, big woman,
I pick up in it. Yes, it's just a lot of little things. Yeah, that I have to take into consideration more now that I'm older. But with getting older, I love seeing the changes with me and Brian. How we are growing together. The gray hairs in places that cannot be mentioned. On your chest.
Okay.
On your chest. To just see him have to work extra hard to lose weight.
Jeez.
Yes. One time Brian could just work out at home and he's good to go.
The body not bodying.
No, it's not bodying. It's not. But it's the same with me. It's just not bodying. And I guess just how we are maturing even in our face. We're looking much fuller nowadays.
I think we are aging gracefully.
I think so.
But our perceptions of beauty are also changing.
And you're saying this to say that?
It's not just physical.
Oh.
It's not just physical.
Think ugly as I'm ugly.
No, it's not just physical.
Oh.
It's not just physical.
Think ugly as I'm ugly.
No,
Oh.
it's not just. We're not
Saying
people.
you're
The older you get is the less
percepting now.
concerned. No, the older you get is the less concerned you are about just the physical attributes. You realize that some of these things that you used to kill up yourself about when you were younger,
True.
they're not as important. Definitely not as important.
But I also realize, and this is for people who are into this kind of stuff, what I realize is, the older I get is the more effort I have to make physically. And that's a personal choice. The more effort I think I have to put into, probably
what
putting
you
a
eat.
little, no man, not just that, but just like, I talk about the food, I just like put a powder upon my face, and fix up myself a little bit
No,
more.
that's not true. You
No,
don't have to.
no,
You choose to do
I
that.
said that is for me.
Yeah, but you don't have to. You
No,
don't.
I know
you're
I
not
don't
ugly.
have. I know. I'm just saying.
Sometimes.
When I was younger, I never used to think about makeup at all. I never used to think about. It's not that I have to. I don't, maybe it comes with maturity. I just find myself just wanting to put a little bit more
Turn
extra
left on
effort
Mansfield
into
Avenue.
my appearance.
And for some people, it would go the opposite way though. When they're
Well-
younger, they're more caught up in how they look.
Well, when I was younger, I've never had flawless skin. But when I was younger, certain things just never crossed my mind. I need to call.
I try to find my headphones. So like the traffic on the road is crazy, and we realized that it was due to an accident on the boulevard. I think so many accidents these days, but I think there needs to be a cultural shift as it relates to how we drive and how we use the roadway generally. I remember when I used to take bus and taxi.
And you never mind them
And
and drive
I
like.
never mind because I late for work. I understand that everybody else late for work or everybody wants to be early. I understand that the taxi man or the bus driver, they have several trips they have to make their money. So in all honesty, I mean looking back, I have sat in some recklessly driven public transportation vehicles and I didn't say anything. Right? And I know not every taxi man is bad or not every public passenger operator is bad, but I think us as a people, sometimes we sit down and we take any type of driving. Sometimes we all...
Uno as a people.
Sometimes, yeah.
Not us.
Sometimes we all gas up the driver. Yo, driver, you can't.
I don't
You
play
late.
those games and I've been that way since I was young. Taxi man one left me a road because I'm in a stop midnight.
And that's good. We need more people like you.
I don't play those
We need
games.
more people like
Worse
you.
now, you're crazy.
Young people especially, we sit down and we allow people to do anything just so that we can we prefer to value time than value our lives. But we don't realize if we're not alive, we won't have the time, right? So we tell the drivers, I remember one time we leave Spanish Town late.
Babe, we don't have tag.
Yeah, I remember I left Spanish Town. Yeah, we do. I left Spanish Town like 7 something. I'm gonna tell the driver, I say, driver, I have to reach work 8
300
o'clock.
meters. Continue straight.
And the driver say, yeah man.
Uno is a part of the problem.
And we reach work 8 o'clock. Yeah, I agree. We reach work in time because him do every back road. Yeah, him do soft shoulder. Yeah, him do opposite lane.
Stay to the right 2.
And you sit down and you allow it because you're thinking about reaching on time. And there are sometimes that me even sleep. Like me not see me just know some reach at work.
What a way you comfortable with phone alive.
And it's crazy because that's how we grow up and that we grow up and see. So that's why I'm saying that there needs to be a reculturing of the
But
whole.
funny enough, I never grew up seeing those things.
That is it. But not most of us, but some of us.
I think where you come from has a
some
lot
of
to do
us,
with it too.
Yeah, and I mean, different drivers operate in different spaces,
Stay to the right.
right?
2.
And
Spanish Town
the
Diagonal.
drivers that I know, the nicknames, even the nicknames of the vehicles, yeah, it just suggests aggressive natures and aggressive driving and yeah, shatter and road killer and you know some names. I mean, when you really look into it, when you look back, we just need to change the mentality of the people, even from a young age, because they are high schoolers who are taking the vehicles with us. They are primary school, and they learn that it's okay for these things, right? So it's a cultural change that we need, because it's crazy the amount of people dying on the roads. I mean, it's always been crazy, but now when you look back as an older person, which leads us into the aging thing.
Yeah, this is another thing that comes with aging. If you're sleepy, you want to sleep.
One of the things that I was asking you is, the older you get, the nearer you are to things like menopause as a woman. How you feel about that?
I don't know why is we have to be going through everything. That is how I feel.
Well, them say Eve sing first.
Well, you never have to eat the apple.
Why I blame apple? It's a fruit. We don't know what fruit it is.
Well, you never did have to eat whatever was being given to
I agree.
you.
I agree.
So no, it's just as accountable.
I agree.
Yeah, but yet still we get fit. We have to deal with all of them somewhere.
Boy, I don't have a thing to say about that. But how you feel getting closer to those things? Like, are you worried? Are you nervous?
I'm annoyed that I have to deal with it.
Just
but-
annoyed. That's cool. That means you're doing a reading up and you're understanding more about it and what are some of the changes that you're going to go through and all of that.
I mean, I know about it. I've been knowing about it. I'm not looking forward to it. But just know that you're going to be going through it as much as I'm going to be going through it.
What do you mean?
But just know that you're going to be going through it as much as I'm going to be going through it.
What do you mean?
I mean,
What do you mean by I am going to be going through it?
because you're going to have to be dealing with me.
Oh, but I've deal with it for 10 years now. And it
Yeah,
feel
but
like
I'm not going through menopause now.
Boy,
So if
sometimes
you're
you
trying
can't
to
tell.
say, that if it is like, well, expect it 10 times more.
Blood of Jesus. I refuse and refute it. Send it back to where it came from.
Send it back. Send it back
Amen.
right back at Adam and Eve. Send it back.
Amen. But yeah, I'm excited to see how our evolution continues as we age and how we deal with life's changes.
You're excited.
I'm excited because I'm doing it with you.
I'm talking about the menopause and perimenopause and all of those stuff.
I am excited because I'm doing life with you. Yeah, that make you happy. So you have an understanding, caring, compassionate husband with you along for the journey. I see a police, you know. Hey, I say, I see a police, you know. Man, I try to cut him back. Go around the policeman, still a roam. Yeah. You know, say nothing about having a compassionate, empathetic,
Yeah, but,
loving partner beside
me
you.
compassionate and empathetic and loving too.
Empathetic.
I'm just saying it's me. I'm not looking forward to that part.
I mean, it will be different for everybody. So.
It will be as much as you are here with me and me. I think we'll go through it.
But I'm saying you don't have to be like how you know other people go through it. It might be different for you.
I hope so.
Anyway, my sister she wants to sleep. Old age takes it. But we're coming from a shoot,
I've been up since 5 this morning.
and it was a lot.
I'm tired.
Let's end this part of the video and we'll pick up. Then we pick up. Why is it too tall? My head always a cut off. You need to grow a little.
Oh. Should I want tigers now?
Yeah, you know much money for tigers now?
Oh,
Jeez, remember when tigers are $20?
remember when tigers was $20?
You don't remember nothing about tigers at $20. You never born yet.
So it just means you will get older before me.
Look at us and see who is older. Who do you think is older, guys?
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.